Hello, my loves. It is your girl, Gabrielle Reyes, and I am so thrilled to be back in the kitchen today. We are creating a dish that is so near and dear to my heart because my beloved best friend and husband is Jamaican. So today, we are gonna be making a fully plant-based Jamaican jerk pizza. First thing we're gonna work on is our pizza dough. So I have some flour here, and I'm also gonna be using some plant-based yogurt. First goes in our flour. I'm using 3 cups of flour with 2 cups of plant-based yogurt, and this yogurt is made out of coconuts. Now I'm gonna add in some baking powder, some freshly chopped parsley, and a splash of some salt. You can also use your hands too. And look, you can put your arm in there too, get that workout. I have some extra flour here, and I'm gonna lay this down. I'm gonna make myself a little crust just by using my hands just like this and pinching around the corners. I have a little bit of some oil, and I'm gonna just paint this all around my crust. There are many reasons I absolutely love being Caribbean, but one of them is we have the best sauces and marinades. Make sure to add in an abundant amount of some fresh thyme. Green onions is also one of those essential ingredients. I like to just use my hands to kind of rip it apart. Yes, I'm gonna put a whole Scotch bonnet, and it's all good because we are gonna mellow out that spiciness. Oh yes, fresh garlic. Grab a grater and you're gonna grate up some ginger. So add in some fresh lime juice as well as some lime zest. The lime actually helps counterbalance that spiciness from the habanero or the Scotch bonnet pepper. Next, we have our liquid ingredients, and I have some liquid aminos or coconut aminos work as well. Your girl Gabrielle is obsessed with maple syrup, especially when I'm making anything that's spicy. This is gonna help balance out any of that spiciness. Seasoning is everything. I'm adding in some allspice, nutmeg, and cinnamon. If you have any extra greens, lettuce, or whatever just laying around, this is the time to add it into this sauce. Salt and pepper to taste, a little bit of some oil, about 1/4 cup. The moment we have all been waiting for. Now I'm gonna set this aside, and some of it I'm gonna turn into a very creamy sauce as well. Whenever I make jerk sauce, I love to make a plain jerk sauce and then add in some plant-based mayonnaise or hummus to make a creamy jerk sauce. Mix this together, let all that spice mellow out. So with my fresh jerk sauce, I'm gonna add it into a pan, and we're gonna cook up our meaty mushrooms. Ooh, yes, go in there, girl. So I'm just gonna let this saute in this sauce and make sure these mushrooms cook on down so they are slightly soft, and we're gonna let them cook the rest of the way on our pizza. First thing, let's add on our jerk sauce. Right here, I have some sliced up bell peppers, green, orange, red, it doesn't matter what color. Let's add on that marinated jerk mushroom. I got some very thinly sliced red onion. Just give it a nice sprinkle all throughout your pizza. So I have my absolute favorite plant-based cheese. This is gonna bubble up and just look so gorgeous. So make sure to pop this in the oven at 475 degrees, and I like to cook mine for 5 to 10 minutes until that crust is golden brown and fabulous. And then also make sure the middle of the crust is cooked up as well. Yes, look at this beautiful pizza. It is melty, it is gorgeous. Now I'm gonna dish it out and go full on with my fresh toppings. This is just diced up mangoes, cilantro, lime juice, as well as some red bell peppers. Sprinkle that out throughout the pizza. Remember that creamy jerk sauce we made? We're gonna drizzle it all across our pizza. Be sure to add on some fresh herbs on top. I'm also adding on some edible flowers too. Look at that. The most vibrant, delicious pizza that has ever blessed your eyes, your mouth, your spirit, your soul. Well, we did it, y'all. Jamaican jerk pizza. Yes, it is 100% officially a thing, and your girl Gabrielle turned it into a very vibrant vegan celebration of flavor, y'all. So I'm excited for y'all to make this recipe, and when you do, be sure to get in all that color, that goodness, that fabulousness, and have fun.